In 2023, a series of armed robberies occurred in convenience stores, liquor stores, and fast food restaurants across the eastern United States. But these heists weren't what they seemed. Behind the simple acts of grabbing money from the cash register was a carefully staged scheme. The police honed in on two suspects, Rambhai Patel and Balwinder Singh, both from India. Their phone records uncovered conversations with the same store clerks who worked at locations that would eventually be robbed. Messages revealed the plan. Stores would empty out, cameras would stay on, and Patel would storm inside to act out a robbery, while Singh waited as the getaway driver. The clerks were instructed to play the role of the victim and to wait at least 5 minutes before dialing 911. By the time police arrived, Patel would be long gone. Authorities recorded a conversation between Patel and an undercover agent posing as someone interested in the scheme, confirming their suspicions.
Just you will go inside, I will let you know what time you need to go, like give exact times and stuff like that. So it's no one inside in the store is empty, there's a guy, like two guys inside, just so, and like hands up, give me money, and just, come back from that, nothing else.
You say I say that to a guy. Are these guys like your people? Like you know these people?
I know that people's, but you know the customers. Whenever the customer doesn't have in the store, that time you can go inside.
Okay, now how does it go down? Do I gotta hop the counter? Do I need to pull the gun out? What do you need me to do?
Just show the gun, that's it, just hands up, just take it up from the register, the money, and just give it to me, that's it.
So you sure they don't call the police, man? This sounds a little too good to be true, man. You know what I mean? Like, are you sure?
Yeah, he can call like after 15 minutes. Don't worry.
And what about for, like, how I look? They're not going to tell how I look or nothing close to how I look? How does that work?
No, they doesn't tell, don't worry.
So why did these store employees work with Patel and Singh when there was no evidence of monetary gain from their involvement? A breakthrough occurred when investigators discovered that a victim from each crime scene subsequently applied for a non-immigrant status known as the U visa. This visa is a specialized immigration benefit for those who suffer mental or physical abuse and are helpful to law enforcement or government officials in the investigation or prosecution of criminal activity. Suddenly, the motive became clear. Patel and Singh engineered a criminal conspiracy in order to defraud the U.S. of immigration benefits. Their customers? Store clerks desperate for legal status so that they can continue to stay. Police followed the money trail and the result was shocking. One victim paid as much as $20,000 for the chance to be robbed. Over the course of their crime spree, Patel and Singh pocketed close to $1 million. With enough evidence in hand, authorities arrested both men, who pleaded guilty to the charge of conspiracy to commit visa fraud. Patel also faced additional charges of aggravated armed robbery. The court sentenced him to 20 months in prison, 2 years of supervised release, and ordered him to forfeit $850,000. Singh awaits a sentence later this year. The consequences of these two's actions will continue to be felt. By abusing the immigration system, criminals like them ensure that the U visa process will be much more heavily scrutinized for all future applicants. Truly deserving immigrants who now have to deal with added suspicions of fraud are the real victims. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Take care.